If you want to use the Flex Mode panel on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all, we need to open an app that supports multi-window feature. So for example, I'm going to use this Play Store in this case. And in order to use this Flex Mode panel, first we need to lift our screen, the upper screen like this. It has to be to some degree. And then you should be able to find this button in the bottom left corner. So let's tap over here. I actually have to hold my phone like this. Oh, there we go. So let me actually fold it up even more. All right, so once you tap on this button, as you can see, we can have the touchpad. You may notice, and although barely visible, let me actually try to fix that. So as you can see, we can use a cursor in this case. We can scroll, and I suppose that different apps may have different features, so you can give it a try. And remember to use one of these options as well, to check them out at least. And in order to close it, you can just, for example, unfold the screen completely, or you can tap on the same button again. Now, to make sure that you can actually use the Flex Mode panel, because it can be toggled, it can be disabled, you can go to Settings, scroll down, and go to the Advanced Features over here, and then you should be able to find Flex Mode panel, which can be toggled, or you can find some additional settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.